Oh, hello. My name is Muel. Not Mule or Mel, just Muel. This is my first video on YouTube, and I want to talk about myself. Sorry for that bad intro. Let me just it's my first video on YouTube, and I don't really know what content I'm gonna do, but if you have any idea, you can leave it down in the comment section. And I hope you learn about my channel, and maybe if you want to support me, you could like and subscribe. Bye. Have a nice day or night.